Today is Vlogmas. Go, Nick. Go. Hey, shimmy, go. We done. So, what we have planned today? I just got off of work. I'm a little bit tired. So, Nenzo, he's always clingy when I get off of work, right, Nenzo? Oh, why you do that, Papa? Don't pull the camera. I'm looking tired. Look at me looking a hot mess. I have to clean my kitchen, as you can see behind me. All of it is messed up, so I need to get that going. But today, I'm going to be doing my calendar. Let me show you right here. So my calendar right here is showing November, and the next month is what, Wita? December. So I'm going to erase all of that, and y'all gonna watch me do December, do the art for it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Wita, why? When I told you you need to start using the steps, why are you up there?
I need a plate.
Well, baby girl, what do you need to be using?
Steps.
I can't, no, yes, you cannot be climbing up on my counters like that because you got slippery socks. No, listen to me. You got those slippery socks on, and then the countertop is slippery. So next time, what are you gonna use?
A step stool.
The step stool. Goodness. But anywho, I didn't even have no meal set out for them. Me and Nick have been meal planning, prepping our meals for the week. So I know what I'm eating, but the kids, I think they're grabbing a sandwich today or whatever they can find. We have sandwiches, sandwich meat and stuff, so we need to eat up what we already have. And then next week we'll get more food, but at the moment, that's what they're gonna have. Look at them playing. Babe, you made popcorn today? Oh. He made popcorn. My dad gave me this popcorn machine.
Popcorn.
And goodness gracious. What you say? A nice little calorie snack. All right. But hey, y'all, before y'all get on those tablets, you need to do what? Say it.
Read a book.
No, read your book, but what else? What are those rooms doing? They ain't looking clean, Amari and Nick. Y'all the only ones being in y'all's room. Y'all need to get them clean.
But first we gotta do our
Little snippet. That's how his room looking. A little snippet. That's how her room looking. But yeah, they need to clean it. What? Yes, you can eat. I ain't gonna let you clean on an empty stomach. What do you want to eat, Nenzo? Banana and peanut butter? So he had a doctor's appointment. When did he have a doctor's appointment? He had a doctor's appointment last week. And come to find out, my baby only gained 1 pound in 3 months. So we have to start feeding him. He was sick with COVID. And yeah, she was sick with COVID. And then he got sick again with like this cold, and he started getting a lot of fever. So he's getting a daycare syndrome is what they call it. So he's finally getting over that, and he's eating a lot now. So I'm gonna be feeding him. I feed him a lot of things, but he likes to snack. He's not much of a whole meal type of person, you know. So I do put it, you know, like broccoli stuff in front of him, but he won't. Beans and corn I did yesterday. He didn't care for it, but he did eat. Okay, get down. See, you don't know what you want to do. I'll put you down. All right. Anyways, let me go feed him. All right. I'm gonna put your hair. I'm gonna give you a couple things while I talk a little bit. So the reason why I want to do Vlogmas is because it's going to help me stay consistent with YouTube, because I like this YouTube thing, and I want to. Hey, I'm talking and you bouncing that ball.
Oh my God.
Junior, wait till I'm done.
I'll chase after him.
So that's what's going on. Oh, my camera. You eating like a big boy. You're eating like a big boy. You got fish sticks? Callie just waiting. Tell me why my daughter is scared of this moth up here. Nenzo, you gonna get it? I gotta get it. I gotta get it. Wait, there's just some moth, mama. Trying to. They scared. They scared over there. Here, what are y'all doing? Where? Oh, we gotta turn off the light. That's what it is. Oh, I think I got it, Enzo.
I keep doing that! The lightning's not going to strike there. It's going to strike here. That means I'm going to be struck by lightning.
Where you going? Wait, bring me my stuff back. Give it. Give my stuff. Give my stuff. Nizito, give my stuff. Give it to me. So we're just trying to teach him his colors and his numbers. And he ain't trying to listen. He trying to play. Y'all ready for bed? It's already 8. Why not? And she's still trying to show him he ain't listening. All right, so we got the big kids in bed already, and now it's time to get him to bed so I can start my board. You're gonna see my little artwork going on, but yeah, let me get him into bed so I can do what I gotta do. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Papa, you tired. You tired. You tired. I know you tired. Oh. Yeah. Alright, so here's my November board. So looks like it's time to clean it up. Let's get in there. So what I use is this off-brand Windex. All the white streaks. I think I gotta get a paper towel, but it's getting it off pretty good. So that's what I'm doing. This towel ain't working, so I'm gonna have to get a paper towel. Because it's looking cloudy. Alright, so, excuse the background. We're going to start off with December. Oh, I got it on the wrong side. At least it won't record it. So I'm just freehand drawing. So it's freehand drawing. And now I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. December. Trying to get a better angle. Alright guys, so I'm still learning with this, but you see my December, that's just freehand drawing, so I don't think I did too bad. So what I used is these chalk markers. Let me go ahead and show y'all. These chalk markers, I got them from Hobby Lobby, and my board, I got it from Hobby Lobby. And they got all these different colors in here. This is 24 count. I will be getting more. I just started this thing because I seen it on TikTok and seen a lot of ladies doing it, and it's very therapeutic. You know, it helps calm the mind. You know, I feel like it's very soothing. I just started this when I did my November one. So when I did my November one, I was like, oh, I really like this. So I want to try to do this, and I also want to do they have one where you do the menu one. Let me use the green on here. But they also got one where you do the menu and you kind of like write down what you're gonna have for the week. And that's another one I want to do. I don't know if I do the outside or inside. I'm gonna do the inside. I'm just doing my December lining. I don't know, I'm just putting lines anywhere. Oh, let me see the E. The M. So it looks something like that. I think this December needs to be a little closer to my thing, but so that's what we got going right there. And now I'm gonna work on my numbers. And I like to use white. And these are very easy to activate. They even tell you on the marker. You gotta do like a shake, a push down, and then you can start writing. And then, so I'm shaking it. I guess I gotta push it down. That's what I didn't do with the green one, but it finally showed up. And then what? Friday is the first, so I'll just go to the first, I'll push down, up, and it works. 1. And then I'll just start doing my days like that. 2, 3. Sorry about the light. So if you ever mess up, I tried to, wipe it with my hand and you see it kind of smeared. So I'm gonna make the whole thing. I seen ladies get a not a toothpick, Q-tip. Oh, and it works good. So it can smear it off really good. It wipes it off really good. Oh, okay. So now, if I don't know how to count, all right. So this is 29. This is 30. And then 31. Yay! And so that's what it's looking like so far. If this will focus, there you go. So that's what it's looking like so far. See that I still need to clean up there where December is at, but I'm about to get ready to do my decorations. But pretty much that's it. Use these markers. That'll show you what it looks like to the tip. And I need to show you what it looks like before you, let me see. So this is how it looks like. It's a white tip before you activate it. It's a white tip before you activate it. Like I said, you gotta shake it and then push it down. Let me see if I can get one that's a better color. That'll show up. So look, this is a purple. Can y'all see that? Oh no, you see that? So now I have to put the top back on. Shake it. Right. And then after I shake it, you gotta do this. Shake it, you do it, and see it's still white. Still white. You do this until it activates it. You just tap it down. See it's coming down. Well, I don't know why it's not it's coming down. Keep tapping, and then it's coming down, and then you can kind of see. Yep, that's how it is. It's still going down, but yep, that's how it works. And so the whole tip is purple now. Yeah. I can't believe this is so blurry, but I hope you get what I'm saying. Yeah, so that's what it looks like now. I really love these things. Okay. So I'm not gonna hold this and draw all my pictures. I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like when I'm done. And like I said, guys, go to Hobby Lobby. If you want to do something like this, go to Hobby Lobby and get you a board and the markers And there's so many markers you can get off of Amazon. You can even get this board off of Amazon. But yeah, so I'll be back and show you my end results. So in this corner right here, I'm gonna put Merry and Bright. So where I get my little designs at is from Pinterest. And so right here, I'm gonna do Merry. Merry. Yeah, I can't even do cursive. Merry. And it's like, the way N is, I'm gonna put it right here. And then Bright is gonna be in yellow. I like that purple. It's really pretty. I need to do this a little better though. Like something like that. I can't see that Y, but it's there. And Bright. I'm sure I'm gonna get better at this as time goes, but Merry and Bright. Bright is gonna be oh, I think I got enough room. G H T is what I'm trying to do. You see that? And I might erase it and do it better, but and then this is gonna be like this. I want to do a Christmas tree right here, but I think I'm gonna do a Christmas tree right under here, like a big one right here. Christmas tree. Oh yeah, so Pinterest. So I think you can see Merry and Bright on my phone. Can you see it? Merry and Bright right there. So that's kind of what I copied right there. But that's what it's looking like. I might do something different right there because it looks maybe too wild right there, but we'll see.
You can do the bottom. How about you do these two, and then I do these two. Make sure you do careful. These might go down.
So I have my daughter helping me do the Christmas tree. I did the gingerbread man. And then I'm still working on it. I did my little snowflakes. So I'm gonna do a couple of them around there. And then I gotta do Santa, stocking, lights. I got a little extra stuff to do.